Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can start receiving email notifications from activities of friends on Facebook. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, select menu and then tap on settings under settings and privacy. After that, tap on notifications under preferences and then select updates from friends. Here, toggle on the button beside email and that's it. This is how you can receive email notifications from updates from friends of Facebook.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.